Hey folks, Kevin here. Well, it's July 16th, 2025, another hot muggy day. Yesterday I didn't shoot any video. Today you're just going to see a little bit of drone footage of the area around where the workshop was and what I've got cleaned up so far, because it's been a while since I took any video of that. Spending a lot of my time working inside, all day yesterday working inside, researching materials and tools and all, and paperwork. Lots and lots of paperwork dealing with various aspects of insurance claims and equipment, those sorts of things. So very boring stuff, not much to look at as far as video footage, nothing to look at as far as video footage. So today I thought what I do, I'm going to be spending a lot more time inside again today, trying to continue with the paperwork and all. But I thought I'd just go ahead and take the Skydio 2 up, take a quick spin around here so you could see what we've got going on and all. And so that's what's going to follow. And I see Thea coming up over here. She's just been picking blueberries. How you doing, honey?
Look, I found blueberries and red raspberries.
Oh my God.
I think I'm going to brave it and take a quick walk over in that blueberry patch.
Well, don't overdo it, honey.
Because it's in the sun, and we don't like a sun when it's 90 degrees.
That's right. It gets too hot here. Oh my God.
Okay.
All right.
I heard the drone.
That's right. I thought I'd just take a quick view around here. Went down by the shipping containers to see how things went down there and all. And so that's it for today's video, folks. We really appreciate you folks watching. Thanks so much for your comments and all. And I'll try to get caught up with comments and questions and all sometime soon. Thanks so much for watching. Stay safe and take care. Bye-bye. Say goodbye, hon.
Bye, everybody. Have a great day.
I'm up for the sun with the dawn's early glow. Camera in hand, catch the progress we show. Shovels and sweat, we're clearing the way. Demos moving forward day by day. Mud and old nails, we swept them aside. Cleared out the mess with a workman's pride. From rubble to ready, we're setting the stage for a workshop reborn, turning a new page. Steady progress, one block at a time. Clearing the sight, watch the future climb. From the aerial view, see the dream take flight. Containers packed tight, tools safe for the night. Oh, we're moving along, though it don't always seem. Every swing of the hammers, chasing the dream. Steady progress, we're laying it down. Rebuilding the workshop on this sacred ground. Zoom out high, take a bird's eye view. The land's transforming, it's coming into bloom. Gravel and stone, we've laid them down flat. Prep for the materials, we're ready for that. Shipping containers sitting sturdy and strong. Holding our tools where the past belongs. Clips hit the edit, our story's been told. Posted online, let the journey unfold. Steady progress, one block at a time. Clearing the sight, watch the future climb. From the aerial view, see the dream take flight. Containers packed tight, tools safe for the night. Oh, we're moving along, though it don't always seem. Every swing of the hammers, chasing the dream. Steady progress, we're laying it down. Rebuilding the workshop on this sacred ground. Some days feel slow, like we're stuck in the dirt. But every small win heals the hurt. Mud's gone, nails gone, the ground's looking clean. Gravel and stone set the stage for the dream. Containers are anchor, holding memories tight. While the camera rolls on in the morning light. Look up, look out, see how far we've come. The footage we've got shows the work's just begun. Steady progress, one block at a time. Clearing the sight, watch the future climb. From the aerial view, see the dream take flight. Containers packed tight, tools safe for the night. Oh, we're moving along, though it don't always seem. Every swing of the hammers, chasing the dream. Steady progress, yes, we're laying it down, rebuilding the workshop on this sacred ground. So here's to the grind, to the sweat and the plan, to the aerial view of this working man's land. Container stands proud, holding all that we got, gravel and stone for the materials brought. Camera keeps rolling, the story's alive, edit and post, watch the vision thrive. Steady progress, yeah, we're making it real for the workshop, the dream where we all feel.
An old man like me, with lines on my face, carries memories of youth in a soft, sacred place. My little girl with her long hair and grin, picking berries in the field where my heart would begin. She'd speak to the critters, so gentle and kind, tended wild things with love, left no soul behind. Her laughter was sunshine, the light of my day. My little girl's spirit still glows in that way. She's all grown up now, but she's still Daddy's girl. A beautiful woman with her own precious world. Picking berries with her kids fills my heart with such joy. She's a blessing in my life, my forever pride and joy. Now she's a grandma with a grandchild so bright, a grandson of her own running free in the light. I see her in the fields with a basket in hand, teaching love for the earth on this beautiful land. She's got that same sparkle, that tender sweet care for the wild things and family. She's always right there. The way she loves nature, the way she holds tight, she's living the values that make life feel right. She's all grown up now, but she's still Daddy's girl. A beautiful woman with her own precious world. Picking berries with her kids fills my heart with such joy. She's a blessing in my life, my forever pride and joy. From her songs in the meadows to Killy's happy cries, I see my little girl and the love in their eyes. She's carrying forward the heart that we share, a legacy of kindness with roots everywhere. I'm an old man now, but my heart's full and strong, knowing she'll be around, keeping love all life long. She's a woman of grace with a family to guide, still my little girl with a heart so big inside. When I see her with berries, her kids by her side, it's like time hasn't passed and I'm swelling with pride. She's the light of my days and I know she'll endure, a blessing that's mine with a love that's so pure. She's all grown up now, but she's still Daddy's girl. A beautiful woman with her own precious world. Picking berries with her kids fills my heart with such joy. She's a blessing in my life, my forever pride and joy. So here's to my daughter, my heart's sweetest song, from a girl in the fields to a woman so strong. She's still Daddy's girl with her love for the land, a blessing forever, holding life in her hand.